In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze post performance. Understanding how your content performs is the fastest way to improve what you publish next, and we'll do that using Later's built-in tools. You don't need to be a data expert, just follow along and focus on a few key numbers that tell a clear story. First, open Later and head straight to the Analytics section. This is your command center for insights. You'll see an overview of how your content is doing, but we're going to narrow in on posts so you can connect results directly to what you published. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal. Interfaces update over time, but the analytics area remains the place for performance data. Next, select the social profile you want to review. Pick one platform at a time so your insights are precise. Performance benchmarks differ across platforms, and separating them helps you compare apples to apples. Focusing on a single profile also makes it easier to spot patterns that are specific to that audience. Now click Post to open the performance metrics for individual content pieces. This view ties results to specific posts, so you can see exactly what resonated. You'll be able to sort and scan posts quickly, which is great for identifying standout content and any underperformers you might want to revisit. Take a close look at the core data points: likes, comments, reach, and engagement rate. Likes show quick appreciation, while comments reveal deeper interest in conversation. Reach tells you how many unique people saw a post, which helps you understand visibility beyond your follower count. Engagement rate combines interactions relative to your audience size or reach, making it a strong indicator of how compelling a post truly was. Pay attention to outliers, posts that either significantly overperform or underperform, because they often reveal clear lessons. Finally, use these insights to identify what works and improve future content. Look for common threads in your top performing posts, such as topics, formats, visuals, or captions that consistently drive engagement. If a certain style earns more comments, lean into it. If posts with clear calls to action lift engagement rate, keep that tone. When something falls flat, adjust the angle, visual, or timing rather than abandoning the idea entirely. The goal is to repeat what succeeds and refine what doesn't, turning your findings into a simple playbook you can use again and again. That's it. Open Analytics, choose your profile, explore your posts, study the key metrics, and let the insights guide what you publish next.